This is lines 49 through 59 of Lingua Latina per se Illustrata, Chapter 1. And we start off our paragraph with another type of yes or no question marker, but one that we haven't seen before. Surely not. Is, I guess, a way to translate this. Or surely Crete is not a city. So this num is used whenever the person asking the question is expecting a no. So this is whenever you would use num, whenever you're thinking that the answer is going to be no. So surely Crete is not a city. And then we see that that's correct. Crete is not a city. What? Quid. What is Crete? Crete is an island. Surely Sparta is not an island. Sparta is not an island. What is Sparta? Sparta is a city. Rhenus quidus. What is the Rhine? The Rhenus. The Rhine is a large river. Surely the Atlantic Ocean is not small. Again, he's expecting, or the speaker is expecting the question to be answered with no. So surely the Atlantic Ocean is not a small, is not small. Or actually, based on the next clause, you could actually translate it more as surely the Atlantic is not a small ocean. In this, the Okeanos and the Potawus might be at play, and this is seems to be supported by the fact that it's answered with it is not a small ocean, but a large ocean. So I think that this Okeanos is modifying, or this Potawus is modifying this Okeanos. So surely the Atlantic is, this should be connected. It's a little bit jumbled all over the place, but surely the Atlantic is not, going back to this num, a small ocean.